Hi, Scott Jensen with Utelite. It's spring and people are itching to get outside. I thought I'd share a couple of tips for using our Utelite Soil Conditioner. Our Utelite Soil Conditioner is a soil amendment that when added to your garden soil will keep it loose and workable, also increasing deeper rooting, higher yields, and overall better plant establishment. The soil conditioner is best applied by placing a 1-inch layer over the existing soil surface and working it in to a depth of 6 to 8 inches using a garden spade or a rotary tiller. I also recommend adding a layer of compost or organic amendment at the same time. For garden boxes and raised planters, we have our Utelite Root Zone Mix, which is a blend of loamy topsoil, Utelite Soil Conditioner, and organic compost. This material is available at select nursery locations in bulk.